Hey, happy Memorial Day! I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm here at Lake Arbor in Arvada, and it's a really beautiful lake, about a mile around it, paved road, so we come here after it's raining so that we don't get all muddy. It's also a really good place if you want a local spot to kayak at. It's really awesome for kayakers. There's a few out here today, and you don't have to drive all the way into the mountains. It's just on the east side of Arvada. I'm a vegan, so I'm not going to pretend to be an expert on fishing, but I always see people fishing here too, so it's probably a great spot for that as well if you're into fishing. How are you spending your Memorial Day? Comment below and let me know.